Good evening for everybody. This is Gopinath. Today I need to discuss about the Bollinger Bands and this volatility. Bollinger Bands discloses about the how the volatility, it measures the market volatility and it determines the price actions, how it will be, the directions will be, what we call will be having it that is decided on the basis of the Bollinger Bands will be there. So in the Bollinger Band you will be having a what we call it will be determined, it will be computed on the basis of the standard deviation. You will be having the middle will be having the standard deviation. You can check off the line will be the standard deviations will be there. The upper band will be having a very good what we call you'll be having a buying zone. The upper band will be considered as a buying zone, or it will be considered as a overbought will be there, and the lower band will be considered as a oversold will be there. Apart from that, in the mid of the two Bollinger band will be having, that will be considered as a moving averages, that will be the 20 days will be there. It's nothing but it will be determined on the basis of the standard deviations will be there. So whenever if you are going for any kind of the trade, means it gives the directions, and based on this we need to measure the which is the resistance and which is the supports will be there. And in terms of you'll be having to decide the trending, and again it decides the trending of the market in terms of the upside of the prices will be there, and it will give the directions of the trending towards the downside of the markets will be there. Or else if it is no case, will be having there is no trending in the upward, trending in the downward, means it will be considered as a consolidation, or in the case of the accumulation will be there. So based on that we need to find out the strategies will be there. And this is a brief introduction about the Bollinger Bands will be there, is one of the leading indicator, and will be used by the global investors, and worldwide everybody would like to prefer the what we call the Bollinger Bands will be there, and it will be very helpful. And you can do the price action on the basis of the Bollinger Bands will be there. So based on that I need to go for the next you'll be having the next persons will be there. So we'll be having this one. Coming back to today I need to what we call the scan the stocks, navigate the stock on the basis of the criteria, that is a Bollinger Band will be there. So the Bollinger Band will be having the stock will be scanned, the stock will be searched through the help of the Bollinger Band strategies will be there. And I need to show about the how the you'll be having the stocks will be what we call find out through the help of the this one will be there. You can check off here the charting will be having a screener, below that you will be having a create a scan will be there. So we need to click on that one, you will be getting a this will be there. So here you will be having the plus button is there, you need to make it as a click on that one. So there you will be getting a what we call upper Bollinger Band. You need to make a click as a upper Bollinger Band. Sorry, I have done a mistake. Can we go for the close? The close is nothing but the price of the stock. The price of the stock will be there. Next we can go for the crossed above, and next we can go for the upper Bollinger Band will be there. This is the what we call the scan will be what we call the stocks will be searched, the stocks will be scanned on the basis of the upper Bollinger Band, and close is nothing but the price of the stocks will be there. And the segment I need to go for the today 2 days back I would like to go for the Nifty 50, and today we can click on to the future. In the futures you will be having a what we called 198 stocks will be there. Based on that you will be having a number of options will be there. If you are going for Nifty 50, means it will be searched only for the limited up to Nifty 50, whereas in the case of Nifty futures you will be having a 198 stocks will be scanned very easily. So now I will not take the much time, directly I will go to the sessions will be there. So based on that you will be getting a what we called, I have given a scan, we need to put the scans will be there. So these are the stocks will be there in the futures will be there. 15 stocks it will be filtered, 15 stocks will be navigated. So therefore I need to pick the first 5 to 7 stocks I need to pick. Based on that I need to go for the analysis will be there. So this is the one of the strategies will be adopted. It will be better for the swing trading. This is not for the intraday. This is better for the swing trading, means you can hold for a period of 1 week, you can hold for a period of 1 month or 2 months will be there. So based on that you can quit with booking a profit will be there. Target will be having a 3 to 5% will be the target. The stop loss will be having a what we call the 2% will be the stop loss will be there. Coming back to, I need to go for the directly the screens will be there, and I hope you understood the concept creating the scanner through the help of the upper Bollinger Band. Upper Bollinger Band will be useful only to go for the buying the stocks will be there, going for the longs will be there. So therefore I need to go for the chart will be there. So these are the stocks I have selected from the charting through the help of the scanners based on the what we call Bollinger Bands will be there. These are the stocks I have picked. So I have selected 5 stocks will be there. Based on that can we go for the analysis will be there. The step 1 is we can go for the chart Jindal Steel. I need to go for the Jindal Steel. So in the Jindal Steel you can go for the what we call Bollinger Band activations. You can make a click on will be there. So therefore I need to hide this one also. In the what we call in the indicator section we can go for the Bollinger Band, make it as a click as a Bollinger Band will be there. So therefore you will be getting a Bollinger Band indicators will be displayed, and you can go for what we call shading the Bollinger Band. Can we go for the plotting the Bollinger Band will be there. So I need to go for the green, and you can go for the increase. So therefore it will be better. So therefore this is the indications you will be getting. So this is the Bollinger Band will be there. I need to shade the things will be there. So therefore can we go for the screens will be there. So here, so have a glance on this one. So as per the scanners we are getting the Bollinger Band, the close is nothing but a price will be there. So therefore you can check off, see how the Bollinger Band will be there. This is the upper band, and here also it was a upper band will be there, and right now it is going for the upper band. So therefore it is a breaking the resistance of the 458, and it will be acted as a supporting zone. After that you will be having it will be booming. That is the 15th September we will be having a 458. After that you will be having it went to the consolidation. Listen here, if the Bollinger Band, if the candlesticks is still on stick on to the upper Bollinger Band, means it indicates the trend of the market. Suppose if the candlesticks in the mid of the Bollinger Band, means it will be considered as a consolidation. So therefore it is not in a trending zone. So that is the one of the things you need to keep in mind. So therefore 458 will be the strong resistance, this will be the 468. So this is the buffering zones will be there. After that it will be going for any line thing. You will be having a, whenever if the candlestick is that is the what we call touching the upper Bollinger Band, means it is a trending. So therefore 469 it went to up to 499. So therefore it is nothing but you will be having a 40, you will be having a 30 rupees will be there. So hardly you will be getting a 8% profit will be booked in the case of the Jindal Steel will be there. So this is the things we are going to make a what we call the stocks will be there. Here also you can check off, have a glance on this one. So here also will be having a upper Bollinger Band will be there. So this is the 373 will be the resistance. In the month of June you will be having a 370 will be there. After that whenever it the breaches the what we call resistance, it break out the resistance, means see how the rally was taken up to 419 will be there. After that it fell down, it what we call retraces at the 20 moving averages will be there. After that the rally started will be there. So whenever if you want to any stock pick, means you don't make any rushes, wait for the retracement, and then you can go for the entry of the trade will be there. So that is the one of the strategies will be there. So therefore I need to go for the next stocks will be there. That is a what we call so we have finished it. Next I need to go for the Mind Tree. You will be having a Mind Tree is the one of the what we call IT stocks will be there. So based on that you can go for the execute of the tree. See how the nicely the stock was, you will be having a what we call it was breaches the what we call you will be having a upper Bollinger Band. So 3357 will be having a what we call you'll be having the stock is booming. So therefore it was having a very good, the pressure is there. So therefore 3567 it is upper Bollinger Band. So the strong resistance will be 3618 will be there. So therefore it is a breacher. So you can go for the take a trade, but the thing is you need to fix the stop loss. The stop loss will be 3500. So therefore the stock is having a very good direction will be there. If the market is having a very good support, means the stock is also having a very good momentum is there. So Mindtree is having a very good momentum will be there. Next I need to go for the, after Mindtree, can we go for the HDFC Bank will be there. So can we go for the HDFC Bank? Is one of the heavy weightage stocks will be there. See how the chart is giving a very good momentum in the last days will be there. So see how the resistance was breakdown. See, it is a upper Bollinger Band will be there. So therefore it is a trending mode will be there. Whenever if the candle is in between the Bollinger Band, means it does, that is, it indicates the consolidation zone, or in the case of the what we called you will be having accumulation zones will be there. See how it was taken a very good momentum. 1529 it went to the rally up to 1635 for a one day. You will be having a very good momentum. So therefore you need to wait for the retracement zone, that is a 1529 will be the retracement zone. So then you can go for the long trade will be there in the case of the HDFC Bank will be there. Next I need to go for the HDFC, the things will be there. So this is also having a what we call very good momentum. It's a subsidiary, it's a part of the HDFC will be there. So it is also having a very good, it's a reflection of the HDFC will be there, HDFC Bank. So it is also having a very good momentum. So 2500 will be the strong resistance will be there. So therefore it is going for 2500. Can we imagine? So it went up to 2686, 500 and 686. Hardly it is having a 150 rupees will be the what we call strong what we call having a target profits will be there. So next we can go for the one more stocks will be there based on the future. So therefore you will be having FSL, will be having a First Source Limited will be there. So it is also one of the very good stocks will be there, very good momentum. So therefore you can check off. So I think this stock is I think it's in a consolidation zone. So preferably you'll be having a lot of confusion where we need to take. So whenever if you are going for any trade, means it should be what we called resistance should be broken. So therefore here the strong resistance will be 118 and the strong support will be the 101 will be there. So therefore it is in a consolidation zone. So therefore you will not take the trade. So the whenever if you are going for the trade, means the Bollinger Band will be in the nature of expansion. In the nature of expansion, if it is in a Bollinger Band is not in expansion, means it indicates the consolidation zone. It will be considered as a narrow area. So therefore taking a trade is not advisable in the case of the FSL will be there. So next I would like to go for the, after FSL I need to go for the Naukri. So Naukri you can check off 4100 is a given of 7.5%, the momentum is there. So therefore you can check off. So here you will be having what we call, this is also having a consolidation zones will be there. So that is the in between the Bollinger Band will be there. It has given a very good momentum was taken, and also they have broken a what we call the resistance is broken 4025. So you can fix a target of 4382 you can fix, but you need to wait. If the Bollinger Band is not giving a directions in the case of the what we call expansion zone, so therefore it's in a equal zones will be there. You can check off your how the Bollinger Band 4104 it's in a, this is a resistance, this is a support. If the Bollinger Band is giving a what we called in the case of the river direction, that is the river flow direction, means then we can consider as it's in a downtrend, it's in a uptrend will be there. But in this case it is not in a expansion, it is in a what we call narrow zone will be there. So therefore preferably info that is a Naukri is not a suggestible in order to go for the taking a trade for the swing trade will be there. So this is the things we are discussing about the Bollinger Band will be there. So Bollinger Band you can use the RSI also in order to make the confirmation. Based on that you can execute the trades will be there. So this is one of the very important if you are going for the Bollinger Band will be there. This is the thing. So thanks for watching the video, and kindly share this video among your friends, among your relatives, in your WhatsApp group, and make a subscription for this channel, and put a like buttons. If you have any comments, please put a comments box. If you have any query, you can put it in a comment box, will be there. And thanks for watching the videos, and keep on supporting me, and therefore I'll be motivated myself in order to uploading a more videos, will be there. Kindly put the notification button and subscribe the channel, and kindly motivate us, will be there. I hope you understood the concept. Thanks for watching a video. Thank you.